Chitu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
So 9 plus 5, 6 people. Do we start or wait? I think we will start, and
You will start, sir.
if people are joining, let them join.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you to everyone for joining today's session. Hope you have already submitted 3 weeks of assignment. Okay. A recap. Um, week 1, we had given you an introduction about data annotation. Okay. And the activity given was data collection. You had to collect 50 images of people in the field and 50 images of cars. Okay. And second week we introduced you to um, what do you say, um, a tool called a super annotate, and we started bounding box, and we had an activity of asking you to draw bounding boxes around cars, and also introduced you to class, subclass, and attribute. Third week, in same super annotate, we had polygon. Okay, so instead of bounding box, we use the tool polygon, and we use the data set image where we had people in the field and asked you to draw polygons around the people. Again, there we had the class and subclass and activity, all of it. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a different tool. It is called label img. Okay, label mg or label img, label image. It's a short form joined together. Okay, I have given. I've uploaded this in a drive, and I've given you the access. I've given you the link to that tool on the WhatsApp group. Use the link to go to the folder, download this file. Okay, and I've also given you access to another what do you say, folder. Okay, where you have images of cars with plate numbers. Just download any 50 from this. There will be a lot of images there. Just download 50 images from this, and the activity is bounding box, but you are just being introduced to a different tool today. Okay, you're going to use the tool label mg, but the annotation tool that we are going to use is still bounding box. The platform is label mg. Clear on this? Any questions so far? Can I?
You don't mind repeat once again, sir?
Yeah. So today I'm introducing you to a tool called as label img, label image. Okay. I've given you access to this. I've given this link here in the WhatsApp group, and I've also given you link to the folder where you'll find a set of images, cars with plate numbers. Okay, so today we are going to use the platform label mg, and the annotation tool will be bounding box. The same. Remember, second week we did bounding box and super annotate. The same thing we are going to do, but instead of super annotate, we are going to do that activity in label mg. Clear? And both the links I've given it to you in the WhatsApp group. You can use that. Okay. So once you have downloaded that, you can start using it. It's a simple tool. When you download, this will be like this, right? You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You just double click. Just once, otherwise. Okay. So when it opens, this is how label image label MG looks. Okay. And once you have downloaded the images, right, for training purpose, I just downloaded 2. Okay, so you download your 50 images, and let me then show you how we are going to view, extract that images into the tool and work on it. This is a very simple user-friendly platform. You see this link, open directory. Okay, here when you click that, you need to go and select the folder where your images are. When you select the folder, the images will be pulled up here. Okay, then you see another icon here, right? The third one, change save directory. You need to click that and select the same folder so that the annotation files get saved in the same folder. Okay, let me repeat again. Once we open the tool, you have one icon called open directory. Open directory and select the folder where you have the images. I have it here, right? Images. Select this folder. And also third icon, change save directory. You need to again open and select the same folder. Okay, so what does this do is, this is instructing the tool to get the images from this folder and to save the annotations also in the same folder. Okay, and after that, you're able to see a small icon here, create rectangular box. Okay, you click that, you'll be able to draw boxes. What you need to do is click and drag. Okay, how will you draw? After when you click this, you need to click and drag wherever you want the shape. It's a box, right? Whatever you want to mark, you need to click and drag. If you click and leave it, box will not be created. You'll have to click and drag it. When you release your mouse, then the box stops, and then it will ask you for the tag that you want to give for this particular object that you have marked. Okay, so remember in super annotate we had to do that separately, create the tag separately, and then we will select whenever we want. Here, while we start drawing itself, you can have the tags name given then and there. Okay, so here, okay, you have an option to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, control and mouse, right? Zoom in and zoom out. Okay, it's the same thing. You can also use the zoom in, zoom out options that are here, the icons that are here. Okay, as always, zoom in to the maximum. Okay, here the maximum is 500%, and then do your annotation. Okay, here today I'm going to give you the following classes to be marked. Okay, it's going to be simple. I'm just asking you to mark the front side, right? If it's a front side, the car frame. Okay, what color it is, mark it here itself. White underscore car frame. Okay, if it's a blue color, blue underscore car frame. Red underscore car frame. Okay, and then you have a logo, right? Find out the logo. It's simple, Indian stuff, right? Or whatever, just find it out if you know. Okay, so this car is Audi. the car frame, the logo, the the number plate. Okay, I marked it. And then inside you see the registration number, right? Identify each registration number and mark, right? If it's capital P, okay, PB. Make sure there is no overlapping of boxes. Okay, there should not be any overlapping of boxes. One box should not be on the top of another box. Okay, that is the rule. No overlapping of boxes. Okay, and numbers should be written in letters, small letter. Okay, you're able to see this? The alphabet, the letter that is there, that needs to be in caps. Okay, but everything else should be in, see, everything else I put it in small letters. Only the state and the other alphabet within the number plate will be capital. Everything will be small letters. And numbers should not be the numerals, it should be written in words, right? As a word. Okay, so instead of clicking each time this particular icon, the shortcut key is the letter W. Okay, on your keyboard, if you press W, you will get this prompt to create a box. Okay, you're able to see this? It is just hardly taking 2-3 minutes. Okay, so I am going to repeat again what and all we are going to annotate. Right, we are going to use, there is just one tool, bounding box. We are going to annotate car frame, whatever color it is. Okay, white underscore car frame, blue underscore car frame, right? Black underscore car frame, anything. The vehicle logo, okay, and number plate. Inside the number plate, whatever letter or numerals are there, we are going to tag them and say what it is. Only for the letters, we are going to keep it as capital. Everything else will be small letters. The numerals also should be in words instead of as numerals in the tag. Clear? Okay.
Sir,
So,
I have one doubt.
yes.
How do I know this is Audi car? This logo is Audi.
There is a logo here, right?
Yes.
Right. Other one is the same thing. It's also Audi. Use Google, find out. Okay, or I will also give you a link. Okay, use Google for this. Okay, I'll try to place, I'll give you a link of a document that we have prepared internally, but there is a lot of yeah, use this. No? Okay, use this, but you cannot restrict yourself to this. If you are not able to find it in this, you can use the Google also, any other site also you can use to find out. Okay. Okay, let me repeat again. Zoom to the maximum you can. Okay, instead of, you can either click this to create a box. Okay, it needs to be tighter. Everything needs to be tight. One thing about label MG is, if you don't close the tool, the tags that you have already created will be available for you to select. So white car frame, I'm selecting from here. But remember, first time you have made a spelling mistake, then it will remain the same. So be very careful. Don't make any spelling mistakes. First time you do it right, then every time you can use the same thing. Okay. Then plate number again. Number plate. Okay. You can adjust it. If you think first time you did not do it right, you can always adjust it. Use the 4 corners. Right. When you take your mouse to it, it will get highlighted. Click and drag to move the point. Okay. So, and then the logo. Okay. The point is, you need to draw as close to the object without leaving any space. Right. There should not be space between your box and the object. At the same time, your box should not be over the object also. Right. It should not be like this. It should be outside the box as a boundary. There should not be gaps like this, and at the same time it should not be over the object also. Your box should be like a boundary to the object that you are identifying, and after identifying, you are labeling this as whatever your instruction is. Okay, that is the essence. Okay, and then again, inside the number plate, the letters will be in caps. Okay. Make sure that they do not overlap. Okay, the reason why I've given this particular activity is because the other stuff will be easy, but when you come to the numbers, okay, they're all adjacent to each other, very nearby. You need to be very careful while you are drawing, so that there is no overlap. The whole exercise is here to give you practice for precision. Right? It needs to be very accurate. The whole exercise here is to make sure that you have hands-on experience, so that your boxes are very accurate. Right? I need to adjust this 9. I can remove this tick mark, so that will not be visible. Okay. And I am adjusting that. Okay. So this is how it looks. Okay. Car frame, logo, number plate, and inside that the letters and the numerals. Only the letters will be in capital. The numerals again will be in words, but everything else is in small letter. You should not put 6, 9 as in number. You should write it in letters, words. O-N-E, T-W-O, right? Clear on this instruction? Any questions? Okay, so when you save this, remember I told you, you will have right 2 images we had, and the annotation is saved as an XML document here. Okay, so for that to be saved as XML document, make sure that this particular icon here is always in Pascal VOC. Okay, in case by mistakenly you click on this, it will change to YOLO, and this format of the text file that is saved will become a text file. Okay, so if the client is asking a text file, then we will have it in YOLO. If the client is asking for XML, we will keep it as Pascal. Okay, so the requirement for this week's assignment is that you will have to give me an XML file. So make sure that you are keeping it always in Pascal. Go check whether it is in XML. Okay, so open directory is to choose the folder from where images need to be extracted to the tool. Okay, change save directory. When you go there, this is where you will select where you want the output, the XML file to be saved. Once the images have been extracted, today's assignment is to just use this tool to draw bounding box. The activity here is car frame, logo, number plate, and inside the number plate, letters and numerals. Any questions, team?
No, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, this is a very simple tool. Okay, but the whole thing is that you need to have hands-on experience. Data annotation as such is very simple with respect to the tool, right? Your main activity is your decision making, right? When you identify something, your identification will be your mouse, right? Like here, I need to identify the logo properly, the color properly, right? With drawing the box is precision. How fitting is your box to the object? There should not be gaps. Okay, and at the same time, we should not come over the object also. Your box should be like a boundary to the object that you are identified. Okay, very close, no gaps, very fitting. Okay, and then labeling. While you are labeling, make sure that you follow the instruction given. There should not be any spelling mistakes. Your judgment should be, you may be drawing this right. You identify that this is the logo of the car, you put a box, but while you're labeling it, instead of Audi, you're saying this is BMW. Then that is an error, right? So you need to be careful about your tags. Okay, your identification and your labeling should be correct. So this is the activity for this week.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
சார் இந்த கார் இமேஜ் வந்து ஃபுல்லாவே கவர் பண்ணி ஒயிட் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர்னு சொல்லிட்டு போடணுமா இல்ல இந்த
Just the front side.
மட்டுமா?
Just the front side, below the mirror. Below the mirror, from left to right. Right. This you see how I have drawn. Below the mirror, this front screen, right? Front side, French in a car, right? Okay, here, say this is a car. The front side, below this front, what do you call? This is not the mirror, the screen, right? What do you call this? The front side glass, right? Below that, okay, this portion alone, left to right, these two headlights are there, right? You need to cover both the headlights. Okay, and top to bottom will be below the front side glass till the frame, not the road, the tire, the frame. Okay, the metal or fiber frame is there, right? till that portion. Okay, I'm not selecting anything below that. I'm taking it to the frame. Good. Any other questions?
சார் இது அப்லோட் பண்ணும்போது என்டையர் ஃபோல்டரோட சேர்த்து தான் அப்லோட் பண்ணணும். அதாவது அப்லோட் பண்ணும்போது ஒவ்வொரு இமேஜுக்கும்
while you're uploading, remember your images and XML are in the same place. So upload the same folder itself. You don't have to do anything. Just 50 images, 50 XML. Just upload it. The whole folder itself in your name. Week 4 assignment. Name it as week 4 assignment. Your name followed by your name and upload it. Okay, so this ends 101. In 101, we have seen two different platforms, super annotate and label image, and two different tools, bounding box and polygon. Okay, and we have also done a little bit of data collection. Okay, we have seen class, subclass, attribute, and we have had 3 activities where you have done annotation. So this will be the last activity, and after you have completed this activity, next week, not this Saturday, the following Saturday will be a final assessment. We will give you, it will be just, we will specify a date next week where we will give you time. Okay, you will be given 2 days time to annotate something, one in super annotate and one in label MG. Okay, we will give you the images and we will ask you to do annotation. Clear? That will be your final certification. The final certification is you should have submitted 4 activities, and when you have submitted these 4 activities, you will be allowed to take the final certification, where we will give you images and ask you to annotate in 2 days. Okay, one using super annotate and one using label MG, both the tools. That will be your final certification. Any questions? Okay, Jeetu, for this assignment, how long do you want to give? This is Monday.
Friday, we can give
Friday.
Sir?
Before 9 a.m. Monday. Next week, before next Monday, 9 a.m. ask them to submit it. 1 week. Okay. Even if they're not doing during the weekdays, Saturday, Sunday, at least they can spend some time. It will not take. Remember, team you saw, right? It just takes 2-3 minutes for one image. So daily do 5 or 10 images. 5 days it will be over. 10 images per day is what, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Hands-on practice. Then at the end of the week or end of the course, you can say that I know data annotation. Okay, you are learning a new skill. That is more important, and you will also be certified internally by the company that you know data annotation. Any other questions, team? Anybody? Any question? Yeah, Sumati.
சார் லாஸ்ட் வீக் அசைன்மெண்ட்ல ஒரு சின்ன டவுட். நம்ம பாலிகன் டூல் வச்சு போடும் பொழுது அந்த பர்சன் பீப்புளை மட்டும் போட முடியாம வித் ஆப்ஜெக்டோட இருந்தாங்கன்னா அதோட சேர்த்து தான் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்படிதான்
பண்ணுங்க. இட்ஸ் ஓகே.
அப்புறம் இப்போ வந்து பேக் சைட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா more than 5 people are working on the ஃபீல்டுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். அதுல வந்து they are joining. how to நான் எப்படி போடுறது? ஃபுல்லாவே போடுற மாதிரி இருக்குமா இல்ல அப்படியே? அது எனக்கு அந்த டவுட்லயே ஒரு சில இது நான் பண்ணாம இருந்துட்டேன்.
அதுல உங்களுக்கு 2D தானே, right? Okay, the question what she is asking is, when 2 people are there standing together, how do I draw a polygon? Okay, remember we had shown you in super annotate, you can both the polygons or both the bounding boxes, you can there's one option for you to join the edges. Shared edges option is there. Okay, use that shared edges option and draw these people, right? Say like, where is the, let me open, what is it, super annotate. Okay, I'm just okay, let me use the same stuff, right? I'll just show you what needs to be done. Okay, so I'm using polygon, right? I'm drawing this, some person. Okay, say this is a person I've drawn. Okay, so if there is another person nearby, right, and I see that they are standing together, when I bring the mouse on top of this adjacent person, you are able to see the dots. You click on the same dot for the shared edges. Okay, you're able to see this, right? Right? If this is a shared edges, click on the same dot and draw. This is, say, this is a person here. Right? If there are 2 people, 3 people joining together, standing together, you can have the shared edges. Clear?
Okay.
This is just a sample, right? You have the option where there are shared edges. So you can mark, identify first person, second person, third person, you can mark. Clear? So it's okay. People, even if you have not submitted any assignment till date, use this week. G3, you have already given the video links for all the 3 weeks YouTube link. G2
கொடுத்தேன் சார், பட் ஆனால் அது டிடச் போர்ட்டல்ல இப்போ கிடைக்கும், அதிலே ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, so that the 3 sessions are available in the DTouch portal itself. Please go through those sessions if you have any, if you need any information. Otherwise, you can in the ping text us in the WhatsApp group itself. I'll try to contact you and clear your doubts. Okay, you don't have to wait for a captain session to connect. Anytime you can connect. Just drop a message in the WhatsApp group. We will reach out to you. Okay, go through the 3 weeks videos and accordingly submit your assignments. This is the 4th week session and 4th assignment. After, only when you submit all the 4 assignments, you will be able to take the certification assessment. Okay, and everything will take just half an hour, 1 hour in a week. All the activities, not more than that. Okay, very simple activities, and it is like having fun on paint, something like that, but a little more careful, right? And it's a skill. This is a skill that is on demand in the market. You'll get a lot of future projects will be in data annotation. So learn the skill, it will help you in your career. Okay,
okay.
We had, hopefully you know about one particular training that happened last week. To attend such a training, they had to give 500 rupees. And there was no practical session. They just had a theory type of a session for 5 days. And for that, we had to pay 500 rupees to join in. Okay. But here, along with your theory, you are given access to tools, practical hands-on practice is given, so that you actually learn the skill which will help you in your future, and that it's free of cost, given by the company, an investment by the company, so that you can grow. Use this opportunity, everyone. Okay, anything else, Shitu, that you want to tell them?
No, sir.
Okay. So follow up on people who have not completed their assignments. Even if they have not submitted anything, they can use this week to submit it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's okay that they did not submit week 1, week 2, week 3. Just guide them. If they want some reference, give them the session link, right? That you have recorded, the recorded session links. They let them hear the session and do the assignments.
Okay, sir.
Anything else, or can we wrap up the session?
You can finish, sir.
Okay. Okay, team. Thank you then. Thanks for joining, and hopefully at least all those who have joined today will have submitted your assignments next week, and see you in during the certification program. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.